On the worksheet screen, click Add next to Form W-2. Choose if W-2 is for the taxpayer or the spouse. The Social Security number will autofill. Enter the EIN. Enter the employer's name, address, and zip code. The city and state will autofill. Enter the control number if present. The employee's information is autofilled. In Box 1, enter wages. Social Security and Medicare wages will autofill, along with Social Security and Medicare tax withheld. Confirm that the amounts are correct. In Box 2, enter federal tax withheld. Enter Social Security and allocated tips if present. In Box 9, enter the verification code from the W-2 if any. In Box 12, enter any codes and amounts present and check boxes in Area 13. In Box 14, enter any codes and amounts present. In Area 15, enter the state, state ID, state wages, and state tax. If a state return is not needed, select the applicable checkbox. Click Save and Add to add additional W-2s or Save to exit. On the worksheet screen, click Add next to Form 1099G. Choose if the 1099G is for the taxpayer or the spouse. Enter the payer's name, address, and zip code. The city and state will autofill. Enter the payer's EIN. The recipient's info has autofilled. Enter unemployment compensation in Box 1 or state tax refund in Box 2. In Box 4, enter federal tax withheld. In 10A, choose the state. In the last two boxes, enter the payer's state ID and state tax withheld. Click Save and Add to add additional 1099Gs or Save to exit. On the worksheet screen, click Add next to Form 1099R. Enter the payer's name, address, and zip code. The city and state will autofill. Choose if the 1099R is for the taxpayer or the spouse. Enter the payer's EIN. The recipient's information is autofilled. In Box 1, enter gross distribution. In box 2A, enter the taxable amount. In box 2B, select if the taxable amount is not determined or the total distribution is taxable. In box 3, enter capital gain. In box 4, enter federal tax withheld. In box 5, enter employee contribution or insurance premium. In box 6, enter unrealized appreciation in employer's securities. In box 7, select the distribution code. Check if IRA, SEP, or simple. In 9A, enter percentage of total distribution. In 9B, enter total employee contributions. In box 10, enter allocable IRR within 5 years. In box 11, enter first year of Roth contributions. In box 12, enter state tax withheld and the state. In box 13, enter the payer's state ID. In box 14, enter the state distribution amount and code. In box 15, 16, and 17, enter local information. Enter the penalty exception code if applicable. Enter the amount exemption from penalties. Check if there is indirect rollover and enter percentage. Check if there is a charitable distribution and enter percentage. Check if disability distribution is 100% non-taxable. Click Save and Add to add additional 1099Rs or Save to exit.